Welcome back to Smart Tech, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines.
The bridge needs to be built, so it's time to take the cranes apart, right? Not so fast. A Chinese company has created a machine that has a creative way of putting girders in place. The SLJ series model, manufactured by Beijing-based Wow Joint Machinery Company, is a 580-ton, 300-foot-long, 24-foot-wide mega machine that looks more like a train than a crane. Instead of using a stationary or crawler crane to lift the bridge girder off the ground and into place, this machinery drives the girder onto a previously installed girder, slowly extends its arms to the next support platform, pushes the girder toward the front of the machine, and then lowers it into place. It's a complicated system, but what an effect! DeWin designs, builds, and operates the largest and most powerful single-pass trenchers in the world. That's why it has created its most powerful single-pass trencher, designed for a variety of underground work in loose and semi-solid soils. The latest MT3500, a monster trencher with 3,500 horsepower, can reach depths of 160 feet below ground level to install in-situ mixing of bentonite soil walls and bentonite cement walls. No other machine of its kind is capable of doing this anymore. Komatsu's continuous harvester with a double header system is ideal for industrial mining, including gypsum and salt. This model is the largest and most powerful drum-type harvester in the manufacturer's product line. With a machine weight of 340,000 pounds and a maximum cutting height of 20 feet, this machine has what it takes to increase productivity in the harsh conditions of industrial mineral cutting. Since many industrial mineral mines have shaft limitations, the machine comes in several bolt-on configurations to accommodate these limitations. The continuous harvester is designed for on-site assembly with no or very limited welding of components. Caterpillar has released a new underground articulated dump truck, Cat AD63. The main difference of the novelty from its predecessor, AD60, is in the increased by 5% payload and improved dynamic characteristics of the heavy truck. The new truck is powered by the C27 engine and produces 588 kilowatts or 789 horsepower of maximum power. The motor meets all EU Stage 5 emission standards and is CANMET approved for use in underground utilities. At the same time, the model does not require urea DEF to achieve an acceptable level of exhaust cleanliness. This is accomplished by a powerful cat wall flow filter and other neutralization systems. The 22H and 18H loaders on your screens are the best choice for any mine looking to unlock the potential of today's hybrid technologies. These hybrids are designed to help you reduce costs and achieve your underground hard rock mining goals of zero emissions and electrification. This hybrid technology utilizes patented KES technology designed for hard rock applications. These workhorses are designed to help reduce fuel consumption and overall operating expenses by having fewer mechanical parts operating. This is what the ideal primary ripper should look like, designed to help farmers remediate difficult soils characterized by stratification, extremely hard soil, rocks, or stumps. The Roxgon H4 hydraulic refiner was developed in Western Australia specifically to help alleviate all of these soil depth limitations and increase crop and pasture productivity. The machine has a working width of 3 meters and typically operates at speeds of 10 to 13 kilometers per hour. Some of the rocks it crushes can have a hardness of about 70 megapascals, which is much denser than good concrete. In most agricultural situations, 3 to 5 passes are required. Senbogen telescopic handlers are ideal machines for demanding applications. They're widely used in various industrial sectors: steel mills, scrapyards, wood processing plants, harbors, etc. But in this video, we can see how the 355E model loader uses its blade to pile sugar beets and simultaneously takes a sample from each shipment for quality control, while the 835G hybrid model loads the beets onto barges. This transloader handles 270,000 tons of sugar beets during the beet campaign, providing fuel savings and reduced CO2 emissions thanks to the green hybrid recovery technology. And what's more, this equipment is very powerful, maneuverable, precise, and economical, meeting all modern requirements for efficiency, safety, and ergonomics. No other horizontal wood sander would save you the headaches of dealing with load restrictions and allow as much as the CBI Magnum Force Model 5800 BT portable sander. This portable horizontal grinder was designed along the same lines as the proven 6800 BT grinder, but is specifically built for contractors dealing with transportation limitations. The Magnum Force grinder is suitable for waste and demolition businesses and mulching applications where high productivity and maximum reliability are required. The model features a high lift top roller for easy maintenance, high torque, a hydrostatic feeding system, and Caterpillar engine. The Green Cargo self-loading self-propelled manure spreader is the brainchild of the Belgian company BMAD. The design of the current auger emerged from experiments and now works well with manure containing longer straw. The loading auger provides a capacity of about 100 tons per hour, while the second auger is located above the spreader body and distributes the material in the hopper. The spreader is a standard Tornado 3 from Jasmin. It has a 20-meter cubed loading area and two hydraulically driven 2.25-meter high, 1.01-meter diameter vertical spreading beaters. They have two movable spreading vanes located at the bottom. The articulated steering helps the machine remain maneuverable, while the steerable rear axle helps reduce damage to tires and turf in the field. You are now seeing on the screens a DFM feller buncher, a kind of specialized logging machine which is designed for cutting trees and stacking them in bundles. In combination with a Deere track loader, a real combo turns out. The operator adjusts such equipment to work the area, extends the arrow mechanism to the required length from 3 to 8 meters, which allows access even to trees located in difficult places. Thereafter, gripping and cutting is carried out. The cut trunks are bagged by the machine and stacked in packs to prepare for the next stage, skidding. Another advantage is that the machine can cut down trees located in front, to the right and left of the machine at the boom outreach distance. Let's talk about Diamond Mower's drum mulcher. The new skid-steer drum mulcher is a heavy-duty land-clearing mulcher that attaches to a variety of mini-loaders and chops small trees and clears them with a forward-rotating motion. It combines ease of maintenance with outstanding efficiency. Its innovative drum allows access to the cutting edge for quick sharpening, resulting in optimal performance. In addition, the easy rotation of the twin chisel system provides a direct path to extending the life of this technique. 4-point hardened steel tines will turn your mini loader into a workhorse with an axe. They provide exceptional abrasion resistance while working with significant ground contact. The 85H Pro hydraulic winch, with a pulling force of 8.5 tons, is applied with an unwinding device. It has a convenient compact design, designed with modern technology, and can be mounted either at the front or rear of the loader. A flexible safety net serves to protect the tractor during skidding, and a safety pin on the lower pulley prevents the cable from unwinding. The equipment has additional holders for chainsaw, pickaxe, and axe. As for the 3-point linkage, it ensures quick coupling of the winch with the tractor. The winch of this series is equipped with LUK clutch from Germany, the world leader in the production of clutches for the automotive industry. Let's mention the chain cutter EK140 from Chemrock, which is designed for use on excavators with operating weight from 10 to 50 tons. Such equipment can be used for digging trenches and mining rocks with uniaxial compressive strength up to 100 megapascals, and also for mining soft rocks of medium hardness with compressive strength from 15 to 60 megapascals, where the use of drilling and blasting technology is not allowed. Such a machine performs its work with high precision. The technique works through a comprehensive cutting chain driven by the cutting heads of the cutter and automatically breaks the intermediate web between the cutting heads during milling. The main features of this chain cutter are the possibility to change the width of the cutting head, as well as low noise and vibration levels. This is not science fiction. You can buy the TieBot robot right now. The novelty presents an autonomously working robot that binds rebar. This robot is brought into a working position using a small remote control panel. It can see the rebar using computer vision, just as a human sees it. The robot is capable of tying approximately 1,000 pieces of rebar per hour. That's the same amount of work that would normally require a team of 6 to 8 workers. And while the developers originally planned to target the bridge industry, it's now ready for any horizontal rebar work. By the way, because of the huge increase in productivity, the payback period for the development is only about 1 year. Camp C has printed a real residential 2-story house with an area of 90 square meters and a height of 8 meters using Europe's largest concrete 3D printer. What makes this house so unique? Firstly, the fact that other houses printed around the world only have 1 floor. The house was printed as part of the European C3PO with financial support from the European Regional Development Fund. Through this, the project partners hope to increase the construction industry's interest in using 3D printed concrete as a building technique. They believe that such homes would reduce material and energy consumption, CO2 emissions, and the waste stream. And all we have to do is watch to see what happens next. Diamond Mower's Pro X disc mulcher is the best solution for mulching small diameter trees and shrubs. It provides more power than conventional attachments due to the inertia of the disc. The disc mulcher is powered by a hydraulic motor, which offers significant advantages. It's commercially available with 3 different motor options. Options include a gear motor and 2 piston motors, the P125 and P160. Although this attachment is precise and ideal for land clearing, it's still not recommended for use in urban areas. Equipped with a new high-torque engine with an output of 100 kilowatts or 136 horsepower in accordance with the Euro 6 emission standard, the AB TP470 all-terrain Vario transporter is ready for the widest range of agricultural work at any time of the year. The AB control concept offers the driver a constant overview of all important parameters, and in sweep mode provides simple control of all functions via the integrated gear lever. With the unique Vario gearbox, this ensures stepless, comfortable, and environmentally friendly operation. An articulated loader crane on a self-propelled crawler. This model shows the future of crawler cranes. The strength of the JF545 is its boom, which is suitable for a wide range of tools whose operation requires increased oil quantity and pressure, such as auger, grapple saw, or bucket. The boom of this crane is articulated, a main boom plus secondary boom plus 6 additional sections, which allows the crane to be more compact, versatile, and powerful. It can be fitted with a basket for lifting people. The crane becomes not only a machine for lifting and moving loads, but also a derrick for the operator to perform various tasks. All operations are performed by remote control, the presence of which makes it possible to perform work with maximum precision. Solar panels and asphalt roads are a true symbiosis of technologies. Solar Roads is a 2-in-1 solution that is designed to solve many problems of new century technologies. And this is a really great idea, because such a project will turn ordinary asphalt roads into entire energy-generating transportation arteries. There are still some nuances in the use of such systems, but the pluses are much more. For example, energy from road solar panels can be used to heat the roadbed in winter, and cooling by pumping water through the same pipes in summer. They can charge passing electric cars wirelessly and wired, and provide light indication of markings in the evening and at night. In addition, it could also be selling extra energy to cities and towns. Today, more and more companies are trying to use old plastic in their new developments, and one of the promising areas is the construction of roads from recycled plastic. Household waste, disposable tableware, bottle caps, straws, plastic furniture, and so on. Tests have shown that plastic roads are more resistant to weather and temperatures. They showed better durability and require minimal maintenance. They have a higher uptime, and compared to asphalt and concrete pavements, plastic pavements do not produce wide cracks and potholes. Plus, these pavements stay smoother longer, require less maintenance, and are better at absorbing sound. NOAC's new box wall barriers are a real game changer in the maxi emergency scenario. These barriers, which together form a box wall, are a self-contained, mobile, self-anchoring flood protection barrier that can hold water up to 50 centimeters high. They're designed for use on fairly level surfaces, such as dense sidewalks, lawns, and paved roads. As with all mobile flood barriers, provision must be made for minimal water penetration. This can be reduced by covering the barrier with plastic sheeting. It's also recommended to pair one or more pumps on the dry side of the barrier for better protection. EnviroBinder penetrates and binds to the soil, forming a complex interlocking structure with loose granular surface particles. Once the polymer dries, it forms a durable surface, a waterproof layer that binds the surface and prevents erosion. Non-toxic and environmentally friendly, EnviroBinder can be used in the most environmentally sensitive areas where very low to zero environmental impact is guaranteed for up to 12 months. This development has been independently tested and has been used extensively in numerous projects in a wide variety of applications. Meet the newest addition to the Earthco fleet, the Soil King Extreme 2020. This advanced machine boasts the latest innovations in the industry. The safety, flexibility, and durability of the Soil King Extreme is unrivaled in the soil and rock spreading industry, helping you run your business even more safely and productively. The new spreader will also make you more efficient, as it holds a volume of 30 cubic yards when hauling lighter materials, compared to 25 yards on a traditional truck. Using a licensed metering bar, an administrator with disabilities can remotely monitor the position of topsoil, stone, sand, and other materials. What do we know about JCB's newfangled HTD5 demo dump truck? Well, at least that its operating weight is only 590 kilograms, and its power is 5.9 horsepower at 4.4 kilowatts. The manufacturer took care of the engine and supplied a Kohler diesel with an electric starter. The trough volume reaches 300 liters, and the payload is 500 kilograms. Furthermore, this unit has a hydrostatic 2-speed drive and a hydraulic tipping body with high emptying. By the way, the unloading height is 1,450 millimeters. Thanks to its new features, this tipper does not reduce productivity and will be a great helper in your work. The multi-mobile vacuum slab laying machine from Probst is designed for easy and precise laying of products weighing up to 200 kilograms. It's used for concrete slabs, large-size paving slabs, natural stone, gutters, and much more. The work is carried out by a special vacuum hose, which produces a gentle lifting and laying of the material. Among the advantages is the precise installation of the tiles, thanks to a movable beam on which the hose is attached. In addition, previously laid slabs can be easily removed when needed. The machine has an electric drive or drive from a gasoline engine at the choice of the user, and its capacity is 300 square meters per day. Hadrian X is the world's first mobile robotic machine and block laying system capable of working safely, quickly, and accurately outdoors in uncontrolled conditions. The technique builds block structures from 3D CAD models, producing far less waste than traditional construction methods, while significantly improving site safety. Unique optimization software converts wall sketches into blocks and minimizes manipulation of block products, increasing the efficiency of residential construction. The Dynamic Technology Stabilization System corrects dynamic interference and vibration of the paver boom in real time and accurately places the blocks. You can now watch a hydraulically powered concrete mixer in action, an inexpensive attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The compact size of this unit makes it an ideal tool when working on sidewalks, driveways, footings, floors on small buildings, and other hard-to-reach or limited access areas. The Multi-1 SD series has been specifically designed for use in confined spaces. The rear-mounted driver's seat, like on larger front loaders, makes them flexible and able to move around in tight spaces. Sviatovid excavator on manned chassis has successfully passed all tests in the field. It performed a large volume of road construction work, in particular, slope leveling and vegetative soil. The machine's performance and its technical and operational characteristics are always highly appreciated by specialists. The high productivity of the excavator allows you to perform significant amounts of work in a short period of time. Moreover, relatively low fuel consumption will also pleasantly surprise you. So the conclusion here is simple. Sviatovid excavator on manned chassis is not only highly productive, but also very economical. Here's what Jade's largest TMR mixer looks like, designed to mix and transport more than 1,000 cubic feet or 32 meters cubed of TMR. With a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional brakes, hydraulic or pneumatic, this commercial mixer can handle the rigors of heavy rations on feeding lots. The machine is available with any of the company's patented augers. Choose from sliding plate augers, ideal for fast, low-powered feed processing, or slant blade augers when heavier loading is preferred, such as when processing dense meat. Still wondering which of the available ways to transport your car? No more guesswork, because now there's an excellent solution to this problem. Car transportation in a covered car carrier is an incredibly reliable method of transportation that stands out from other options. This method of transportation allows you to ensure complete safety of the vehicle, and all thanks to a strong frame and panels made of plastic or metal. The car is securely fixed inside the space of the covered car carrier and remains protected from the negative impact of external factors. In addition, there will be no need for cargo transshipment, and the delivery will be made directly to the final point specified by the customer. Have you ever heard of moving trees using the dry suction method? If not, then look closely. Just 2 companies were tasked with digging up an adult tree in time for the Christmas season, using a dry suction excavator provided by Aux Equipment and operated by Supersucker. As a result of the fruitful work, the tree was successfully trimmed and transported to a new location, and then safely replanted at another site, where it is still thriving. The work process is, I must admit, very exciting. In front of you is a Matterhorn Gotthard Bond Tunnel rescue vehicle. And let me be bold, this unique project sets new standards for safety in tunnels. The first vehicle is a passenger vehicle. The vehicle will be operated in a paired mode with a fire road railroad vehicle and an ambulance car. By the way, the vehicles will operate 24/7, so they will be ready to enter the tunnel in case of an emergency anytime. The vehicles can move both in coupled and single mode, so no locomotive is required. Chopping firewood has never been a simple, monotonous task of chopping timber. In addition to the usual process, it's also possible to master an additional one, the production of wood chips. And the best helper in this case would be the Forced Profi machine. It is thanks to its sharp cutting tools, daily optimal adjustments of the technique, high-performance design, you can get perfect wood chips for a variety of purposes. For example, for wood gasification, fuel, fall protection, playpen covering, paving pads, etc. The wood material that is obtained with a Forced Profi is also good because it has excellent characteristics and is easy to cut, not break, and shatter. Not long ago, the specially developed LKW bagger shoulder milling machine was put into operation. Unlike other shoulder milling machines, the machine does not require a low-loader truck for transportation, as the machine can drive itself to any location, which is fully approved for use as a carrier on a manned truck. From now on, shoulders up to 2 meters wide and up to 10 centimeters below the edge of the road can be milled in one operation. Fences, super rails, and other vehicle restraint systems are not an obstacle. Overall, this provides an even more efficient and faster way of working. In the video, you can see for yourself how to install a Weatherbull's vinyl fence using Fast 2K, a convenient alternative to traditional concrete. This miracle product eliminates all the hard work associated with traditional building material. A single 26-ounce bag of Fast 2K, each bag weighing less than 2 pounds, replaces the two 50-pound bags of traditional concrete needed for each 5-inch fence post. And a 12.5-ounce bag replaces one 50-pound bag of concrete needed for each 4-inch fence post. As you can see, Fast 2K easily pays for itself in the time and energy you save. Using the same technology used to install the posts, Fast 2K eliminates the need to haul and mix heavy bags of concrete. What makes the Becker block system so special? If only the fact that large concrete blocks can be used to create structures that would be impossible with poured concrete. The system can best be compared to Lego and is almost as simple. The blocks form a stable, movable, and scalable stacking system that requires no mortar, making them ideal for temporary and/or permanent structures. Becker block steel molds are specifically designed to allow contractors to easily produce highly functional concrete blocks. The blocks fit tightly together thanks to studs at the top and notches at the bottom of the blocks. This flexible construction method is the perfect way to easily expand or modify any structure at any time. The new Bobcat sand cleaner on the eponymous mini loader provides quick debris removal to keep beaches clean. It sifts sand and removes all debris down to cigarette butts. It can be used on public or private beaches, playgrounds, volleyball courts, racetracks, farms, etc. Such a sand cleaner can easily cope with the treatment of 15,000 meters squared per hour. This is an excellent indicator for such a device. Bobcat does not lose performance even when operating on sand or dry surfaces. All collected debris is placed in the hopper. The discharge process is controlled by the operator from his cab with the help of a hydraulic unloading drive. Thanks to the optimal performance of the cleaner, the operator can unload the waste immediately into containers and tippers, saving time. Transporting heavy loads for a solar power plant is no easy task, and transporting 10 huge tanks across Dubai could be a real challenge. For this colossal task, the Al Faris Group team relied on two new Arex trucks with a payload capacity of up to 250 tons. The trucks did their job perfectly, given that the size of the load was truly staggering. The two 6x6 trucks are equipped with a powerful OM 473 six-cylinder engine with an output of 425 kilowatts. Also, they're equipped with an important technology perfectly adapted to this type of operation: the non-wearable turbo retarder clutch. You can only appreciate the magnitude of the work that can be done by a powerful technological giant like this. From the video footage, it's safe to say that Interdrain's 4045 T-Series chain trencher will be a great help when it comes to laying the 15-inch Clark Farm Drainage flexible agricultural drainage board. Plus, this machine is also equipped with GPS auto grading, which is also important. Let's move on to the LH621 model. The main advantages of this 21-ton underground loader and dump truck: excellent productivity for the most efficient tunneling, increased safety thanks to the operator's cab with certified protection against falling objects and tipping over. It also features an intelligent control system for quick and easy diagnostics and low emissions for environmentally friendly mining operations. The VDO Thyssen wheel excavator is the very equipment capable of efficiently chewing through almost any surface. It's truly a rugged machine, designed for giants. VDO Thyssen can excel even in open-pit mining operations, but it does have one drawback. Maneuvering around obstacles can be challenging for such a large machine. However, this is a solvable problem. The Koblenko demolition machine can handle light work with tall buildings. This equipment comes with a unique 3-component separate front attachment with high reach. The model is also equipped with the exclusive Next attachment system, which simplifies assembly and disassembly for easy setup and dismantling. Just watch the video to the end, and you'll fall in love with this machinery model. Meet the walking excavator from Siku. You might be amazed by the size of this machine, but believe me, there's nothing particularly surprising here. Thanks to its compact dimensions, the excavator excels in its job on extreme construction sites. So this excavator is truly the best choice for earthworks on steep slopes, in mountains, and on impassable surfaces. Moving on, and now we have a surface bucket ladder dredger in front of us. At first glance, it may seem like a somewhat peculiar machine, but it's designed for very specific purposes, namely for extracting sand and gravel from wet quarries. The depth of excavation with this bucket ladder dredger is about 14 meters. As online commentators say, such machines can create a fantastic and magnificent massacre. And you know what? I can't disagree. The key purpose of the Komatsu underwater bulldozer is to move large volumes of soil over short distances. The machine is capable of removing layers of soil and backfilling it, leveling sites, and performing many other tasks underwater. It's also indispensable during the construction of dams, dikes, and other structures. The bulldozer is often used for contouring road beds, ditches, and embankments before construction. The robot dog Spot by Boston Dynamics has pushed the boundaries of modern technology. It took 10 years to develop this wonder tech, and now Spot has evolved from a prototype to a fully functional experimental robot. It can walk, climb, and crawl. We all agree, its design is impressive. Now its creators are testing Spot to enable it to develop various fun applications. You're looking at the industry's best hydraulically operated self-propelled crusher with a versatile rubber track undercarriage. And by the way, it's through the use of an expandable track system that the manufacturer was able to achieve high cross-country capability, minimizing ground pressure and agitation. At the same time, providing a stable sanding platform and exceptional traction. All in all, a beast of a machine. Boltec M10 and E10 are fully mechanized drilling rigs for anchor bolt installation, known for their high-quality anchoring and productivity in mining operations. All of this became possible thanks to the implementation of intelligent options in the machines. By the way, both models are equipped with an optional electric transmission with a zero-emission battery, which is also crucial. Wouldn't you agree? The Optimus new H99 series is the 10th and absolutely mature development of the manufacturer and inventor of paving equipment. Its high maneuverability allows it to work in every corner of your site, and due to its power and stability, the machine is also very efficient in large areas. Its main advantages include a comfortable and spacious cab, easy operation, multi-6 hydraulic grapple, powerful engine, and fast hydraulics. Thank you for watching our video on smart tech, modern agriculture, and agritech. If you found this content informative and engaging, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment sharing your favorite part.